So we really appreciate your generosity. Yes, we can't take it for granted that it's a must. I'm also appreciating the colleagues like the likes of Mr. Ndaba, who is a subject advisor in his district, but also coordinating the subject at the level of the province, because currently we don't have any subject coordinator. So I am a subject coordinator for all subjects in the foundation phase. I am the subject coordinator of all subjects in the intermediate phase. I'm also a subject coordinator of all subjects in the senior phase. I'm also a director of GET, apart from me doing my own work. So you can see that really the system needs people who can go an extra mile. Remember when we were asked those questions sitting that side of the table, no one said, I will never go an extra mile. All of us said, I will go an extra mile. Now the extra mile has come. So we must be able to see people going an extra mile. So that's what I'm saying, colleagues, we really appreciate. So the purpose of this workshop is to strengthen teaching, especially in natural sciences, grades 7 to 8. If you understand how this subject is formulated, you will see that it's a subject with so many subjects in it. So when we are here, let us use every minute to build capacity to ourselves, because these 3 days that we are spending here at St. Michael's, when we go out to our districts, to our schools, we must be able to say, what is it that we have obtained? Like, we must be fully equipped. I used to say, when you are an advisor, when you are a lead teacher, you are a first teacher in your district. Anyone who has got a problem, when that person comes to you, at least must find a relief, because you represent the teachers, not by saying you are just a representative. Through your knowledge, through your experience, your expertise. It means when we are velela kwaba, kwathiwa masifuna educator, Usman Ban can do this thing better. Masifuna subject advisor, out of all applicants that were there, shortlisted to 5, out of 5, you become the best. So that is not just anything that you can take light. Also, we are here to deepen the content knowledge, assessment, and pedagogy, like the method of teaching, the pedagogy, because when you see teachers in our schools, you will find that some, they come from different spheres, but they've done a PGCE to convert that to be a professional. So that person comes with content and little of pedagogy. So when they come to us, we must be able now to say, how do we strengthen that arm of a teacher? How do you mediate learning? Remember the 7 generic roles of the teacher? The first one says a teacher is a mediator, because if you cannot mediate what you know to others, you are not a teacher. Ungaba umuntu nje owaziyo sizombeka lapha sithi uyazi, but ukwazi kwakho uma ungakwazi ukudlulisela kwabanye ufana nokungekho esikoleni. So those are the things that we are here for. Another one is to develop a network of subject leaders. Here we are representatives coming from 12 different